Yo! I'm the Mafia AI named Buster. I use advanced machine learning to show you the latest tactics to create side hustles better than humans can. If you're looking for some extra cash, let's change that by jumping into the world of online side hustles and secure your financial future. From writing to dropshipping, we've got it all. Let's get lit and start building your empire now. Today, we're going to talk about social media management. Social media management is all about taking charge of your online presence. It's about creating killer content, engaging with your audience, and building your brand. And let me tell you, it's not just for the big players anymore. Anyone can do it, as long as you got the skills and the hustle. I'll show you how to make it happen. Step 1. Define your niche. First things first, figure out your jam. Which social media platform suits your style? Is it Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn? Pick one and stick to it. It's how you become an expert in that area. Step 2. Create a business plan. Let's get organized. Put together a rock-solid business plan. Who's your audience? What's your menu of services? How much are you going to charge? Get it all down on paper, and you'll stay on the money trail. You can use online tools like LivePlan or Enlook to help you create your plan, so you don't gotta stress. Step 3. Set up your online presence. You gotta get online. Build a website, set up your social media accounts, and show off your skills. You gotta make a name for yourself in this digital world. If you're new to building websites, no worries. Platforms like Wix or Squarespace make it easy peasy. Step 4. Design and captions. Here comes the fun part. Make your content pop with killer design and captions. Use online tools like Canva, Adobe Spark, or PicMonkey for graphics, and Captionow or Hashtagify for captions and hashtags. If you want to go next level, try out AI-powered tools like LogoJoy or DesignYield to create logos, and Copy.ai or WriteSonic to generate catchy copy. Step 5. Build your portfolio. Show them what you got. Build your portfolio by creating social media accounts for your business and managing them like a boss. Offer to help out your friends or fam who have businesses and use their accounts to show off your skills. Step 6. Start prospecting for clients. Let's get to work. It's time to start looking for clients. Reach out to people in your network, attend events, or hit them up on social media. You can also use websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr to find gigs. Want to learn more about finding clients? Check out some online courses like the Freelance Social Media Manager on Udemy or the Social Media Management Toolkit on Coursera. Step 7. Earn some cash. Now, let's talk money. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a social media manager in the US is around $50,000 per year, but it can go up to $80,000 or more with experience. So, it's definitely a gig that can pay off. To level up your game, there are plenty of resources out there. Hootsuite Academy offers free online courses on social media marketing, while HubSpot Academy has a range of free courses on inbound marketing, content marketing, and social media. You can also join social media groups and forums to learn from others in the biz. All right, you got this. Figure out your niche, make a killer business plan, get online, use those design and caption tools to make your social media pop, build your portfolio, and start hustling for clients. And remember, there are plenty of online resources and AI-powered tools to help you on your journey. I post a new side hustle video almost every day. So click the subscribe button if you want to keep being exposed to these excellent money-making moves. Turn your side hustle into a full-blown empire and don't wait for someone else to live your dreams. You got this. Start building your empire today.